On October 6th, OpenAI officially launched Agent Builder, a visual drag-and-drop platform that lets you design complex AI agent workflows without heavy coding. Right away, people started comparing it to tools like n8n and even Zapier, because instead of wiring together automation triggers and actions in code, Agent Builder gives you a canvas where you can connect nodes, APIs, logic flows, and chat UI. So whether you are a developer, product builder, or even someone who just wants to experiment, you can move from ideas to building agents faster than before. Let's take a look at how it works in practice. Agent Builder is a visual canvas for building multi-step agent workflows. You can drag and drop nodes for each step in your workflow, provide typed inputs and outputs, and preview runs using live data. You can even embed the workflow into your site with ChatKit or download the SDK code to run it yourself. I will show the embedding part in next video. In this video, our sole objective is to create a working workflow which gives us a response without errors. I'm going to build a Mood Music Reflector. So this agent will analyze your mood in the journal entry and suggest you a Spotify playlist to instantly reflect your mood. I'm telling you, you will love building this. Just follow the steps along with me. Before going ahead, let me give you a step-by-step flow of what we are trying to achieve here. User writes daily reflection, then agent analyzes the emotions, be it happy, nostalgic, calm, anxious, proud, party, etc. Agent then picks a genre and energy level. Agent creates a Spotify playlist, then responds with a playlist link and a motivational message. That's it. That is the flow. So let's start. So first, we specify to the agent its objective through a set of instructions. While giving the instructions, be as thorough as you can be. We will name the agent first. Let it be Mood Music Reflector. Then we will write down the instructions. You are an energetic and empathetic music coach. The user will share a short daily reflection about their mood or day. Analyze their text to identify emotional tone, energy level, and desired musical direction. Then call the Spotify tools to create a private playlist that matches that emotional energy. Now we'll write down the rules here. So keep your responses short, upbeat, and encouraging. Suggest a poetic but fun playlist title, maximum 4 words. It could be Rainy Recharge, Morning Glow, Midweek Groove. Also, always explain why the playlist fits the user's mood. Include the playlist link in your response. I'll also give an example flow here. So first is user writes reflection. You analyze emotions, be it happy, nostalgic, calm, anxious, proud, etc. You pick a genre and energy level. You create a Spotify playlist and fill it with tracks. You respond with the playlist link and a motivational message. So this was the set of instructions. So once we have given the instructions, we'll set the output format. You have an option to add a tool also, but right now we are not adding a tool here. Now under output format, you can decide how your agent should return its response. I'm setting the format as JSON here, which is perfect if you want structured data that other nodes in your workflow can use. I have defined 6 properties here: happy, sad, nostalgic, calm, proud, and party. Each one is a string type, and the description tells the model when that field should be valid. So for example, if the user's reflection sounds happy, only the happy field will have a value and everything else stays empty. So I'm filling in the properties here. So calm is when the user is feeling peaceful or calm. This is valid. Proud, when the user is proud of its achievements or feeling motivational. Party is when the user feels like partying. So I have added these 6 properties here and then we'll update it. Rest of the fields are kept as it is. Alright, now we'll add a if-else block here, which will act as a control flow logic for us. So now this is where the logic actually branches out based on the mood we detected. Remember that JSON schema we set earlier? It gave us clean fields like happy, sad, nostalgic, calm, proud, and party. So now basically, I'm telling the workflow if the happy field in that JSON has a value, go to the happy agent. Else, if the sad field has a value, go to the sad agent. And so on for every emotion. You will see here I'm using output pass.happy, output pass.sad. Each one checks the structured output from the previous step. It is like saying, hey, if this mood is active, follow that branch. This is what makes the agent dynamic. Instead of one generic response, it picks the right emotional path automatically. So now that our logic knows which emotion to follow, we'll next create individual emotion-specific agents, one for each mood. So we'll add an agent here and we'll name it as a happy agent. I have told it that you are a happy music coach. Your job is to suggest a happy playlist on Spotify whenever the user's mood is happy. Basically, this agent's whole vibe is sunshine and good energy. Here in the tools, I am selecting web search. So it will use the web search tool so it can actually look up the best or most liked happy playlist on Spotify and not just make them up. In the web search tool, you will have to specify the domain and the country and city. Now I'm keeping the output format as simple text here because all I need is the playlist suggestion. Short and clean. And I'll repeat this for other moods: sad, nostalgic, calm, proud, and party. So I have copied it from happy and I'll just replace the emotions with the specific emotion for each of the nodes. Now each one has its own tiny personality tuned to suggest music that fits the emotion perfectly. So I'm adding spotify.com as a domain. Country is Canada, city is Vancouver. And I'll repeat this for every other moods here. Now we are all set to preview our workflow. Keeping my fingers crossed, it should work. I will input my daily journal here. I was walking past my school building and I felt nostalgic. Those were the days. So this is the input for the workflow. Once I enter it, you can see our Mood Music Reflector is working now. It's reasoning. As you can see, GPT-5 has its thinking mode on and trying to optimize the output to best playlist it can find. You can actually see the complete process here, how GPT-5 is working and thinking. And finally, we got our response. Title is All Out 90s. I love it. And now let me click on the link. And the link has directed me to spotify.com. And this is the playlist. This is amazing. The suggestions here are not bad at all for nostalgic things. And I love this music for sure. So that was it. So in this video, I have just covered how to create your first working workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how you can customize your response with the help of widgets. And then you can integrate it with your chat kit. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.